Hi there, I'm Yetunde Oshodi-Fraudeau, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Let's Eat the World. Our culinary holidays are not just trips, they're immersive journeys into the heart of local cultures and cuisines. Picture yourself strolling through the vineyards of Georgia, sipping on unique wines, exploring the French markets of Provence, discovering Paris's gastronomic delights, diving into Seville's fascinating cultural history, or learning the secrets of Parma's world-famous cuisine. Each day is a new adventure, a new taste, a new story. Our tours are handcrafted with a love for food and travel. They're about connecting with the local traditions, learning from passionate cooks and chefs, and sharing meals that bring us all closer together. These holidays are for world explorers who are looking for journeys that build skills as much as they do connections. Our tours promise intimate, enriching adventures that stay with you long after you return home. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will awaken your senses and warm your hearts? Join me and Let's Eat the World for a journey where every bite is a memory in the making. See you soon.